Abusa for mon kafra. Etekoi. Eteko 10 times. Yebeba 10 times. Yehu trick ni na. Eteko 10 times. Yebeba 10 times. But me sha sem free demonstration na so. Men to asum free ho. Dia me pesa me kan say. Demonstration we were home. Adia who we are seeing pan say was stopping Crawford from trooping onto the street to demonstrate. Na momunu wo no mo ye demonstration. Who pa. And no na etimidi asem foforo ba be hu say wo ye ho hwe a enye ye na age wonsem no anu so ada ho say wine. Now one day I keep telling you that dakro bibi besia makao se nyame ya wadom unyankwa praise God when nyankwa praise God ne yakọ if you say ye ntimi ntina ho ma ye ma emma mebre sede mampani dada rollets after kumi preko demonstrations upon demonstrations ye tiano ye if you ho the ba mampani dada kufo so I told you 41 demonstrations kwesi pratin kwali di dunkuno 41 when si kwan eye ya makwesi prato ye one man demonstration o se obekuma so odu adwo so no san ye ono kwa enwachi Professor Mills baye obi akwakorawa demonstration bagam as if that was not enough mahama baye bagam eba ne sign na ene yam pese nipa bekasa yam pese nipa baye demonstration yam pese nipa de woni mu a officer bebo man no obeka eti ene na me hwe TV.
He is smart, he is unique.
They said the whole smart TV
Captain Smart
na
is
ye
the
de
king.
cars ahodo aposifo abobo mu hukunkuntan enye de hie ne munya butu kura nche Ghana posi boot keke munya butu kura nche munya butu nche ubehu se posi ni mpaboa efe pa ofi superintendent eko efi lance corporal sergeant be no mpaboa siafa mo mpaboa ni nyina ase awe yentimi ntop butu kura common butu kura keke mfama mo eti se won we peacekeeping no wo ho a na wa frɛ o minua pa cho wo ba untop butu mrame meba master police officer mewa common bulletproof kura no yenya bi ntop ma police phone she urafi just about 2 months ago. Now within 1 month, they come police for doing here. Boom, to by heart. I didn't say we are bulletproof and shit. Hey, this is not the Ghana Kwame Nkrumah left for us. This is not that Ghana that His Excellency Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the first president and the founder of Ghana. Nobody can change our history. Nobody can change our history.
He is smart. He is unique.
Yenim ye history. Uko AU office enimwa kakraka Wadis Ababa Kwame Nkrumah statue change panel. Nobody can change the history of this country. But when him say we guess I will stop people from demonstrating now. They will demonstrate inside, and when the demonstration inside explodes, I want a trouble one. And it's about time. I say you hear sad in ye. Maka man the enemy. And then you moon kakran sa me what tips be a member amount. When you assume no what ye. Your Excellency, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I like you so much. Yeah, we are fine gentlemen. Will you suit to pa na wo ba? Who say yes, catch a pa, bosua de and ebano. Wabing ba dog. Na yere. Yay, when the fundamentals are weak.
Smart. He is unique.
Yay.
He is the best.
Say fundamentals no.
Is the king.
There, weak and they strong. See didn't we expose you? Say didn't expose you big time. We expose you grim bam. We kukuru wa ho. And I catch and say we arrest the city. And I would they Safwano ama apinti former IGP Say on fast on lock no. Say na IGP so ada. And they say wing and they see the thing can say about thing. When me question me am person me busa. If the second lady, respectfully, say second lady or a businesswoman no go Dubai or go China or go fan niema no beton a ke baby a dollar edu nka den na abeka say woni abemu a wonya vice president ka beka dey. Yey, anka beka dey. Yen assume say ka wo mame and the beautiful Rebecca.
He is the best.
Na san ko Dubai or go China ko fan niema ba beton.
Captain Smart.
And anka dollar ne duru baby eduru ya. Senior, ka beka dey. Yey. Tell na beka. Mahama wo ho ye ka kire nse wa bon me nam kan. I said it. I told him. Say bra, baby on mine corner there. Wo dey awo ho. Wa bon. Na nkrofo ntemase. The reason was that wo fa your GDP na 69% na ye ka. 69% na ye ka. And then your GDP no 76.1% eka. What is this that people are telling us? That we should keep quiet? We will never ever keep quiet. Yeah? Free senior high school is a fantastic policy. Me ba akobi we. Banana, you remember?
He is unique. He is the best.
2000.
Smart is the king.
There are elections, no. Na ye na ye ka ho. Medical can radio so that your last rally ye Cape Coast. Na mkuta unzo mwa. Yey. I've said it over and over again. Ye catch them Rollins and Professor Mensa say kwan ye.
Captain Smart.
Free senior high school, it's a good policy. I agree.
He is smart.
But the point is that maybe we have school anti-common no.
Captain Smart is the
We need to fix this country. I am you fix yourself first. I didn't think that fix yourself first. Ufri hana would do America when you kwasi when you cotton you so kwan. We see JFK airport on one catch us a high and you so kwan. When the systems are working, we Jimmy Foko be huni answer by force because system no ma won fa huni.
He is smart. He is
Then Crawford said they can't fix oh they can't okay my fixing in where we and I'm in kwam and accident tesi. Ya di do hospital ni nyampa na so. Sa injured patient no. Sa passenger no. Why car kwenshi ama ne prata cha no on fixing ho he odu hospital one order from ye ni krom ha na wo kan krofa ye so mo apampam do mo twanso
Captain Smart.
yeti ganem ye wo ukọ manso kwanta wa ye wo atapani atakakra huibaru atapani huibaru wonim de tia ye wo nkwada no wo huibaru awo kan wo maame oda huibaru ni ye piano dese e kwan ye kan ko kama nge din maame na wo ntafo huibaru ko ho na ko bisa and you were telling us we should keep quiet. We would not. Hey, ebe wo mo ye be ma na wo mo mo ebe hye mo a ye be ma na hye mo mo na maka cho se sa bonbon na me kan na ye say e di asem aba no ma ye remix ato ho afi na me de ba eno kura de chen de da no kura aba no na ye be renew sa enwom no. One other thing se si amre ya ye wo mi wo de wo sorry ahomache a fa kwan ho na hwade wo sorry ahomache a pacho fa kwan ho na hwade wa sorry ahomache no fa kwan ho na hwade me sorry kwa adwuma anajo me sorry kwa adwuma bi ahomache 4 ebi 4:35 na me do office when I'm kwan ho na wo kwa young boys and girls what the kwan ho say sebe emwabi
Captain Smart.
one day and me gina me share that gina ye na me say me bisa boys ya say mo la pass so obia kwan ho me ka say bia won wan na wakwa wi wo mo nsa bi na o mabro na o mo da ho me gina ya me fro guy ne hu me nem na say captain me ana me hwehwe wo dada Abrantia no brofo pa efi nanum eba se Ghana de ote brofa na yese wayade mwa brofo efi padi nanum pa eba no enye nkwada brofo oyi o say wait for me okọ baby oda no fully brown envelope obeyi ni first degree and oyi ni master's degree no ade ni senior high school there kan ho no mama a list me kokka we angel tama na me we angel no me bo boss wo ho saa number of companies are what true application letters they call us opejuma
Captain Smart is the
you can't answer public sector ni mu ayema me bomb in some honorable ya wasafo ma for ade chen na ne ba kwa senate that na senate nyama o na senate nyama and you are telling us we should not talk. Who will talk? You suspend us today, we will talk. You suspend us tomorrow, we will talk. You suspend us the next day, we will talk. You suspend us next month, we will talk. You suspend us next year, we will talk. We will talk out of this country. Ebe your country, and then, and kwada crowd, when we were Ghana, ha crowd, one man who says stress. Yet to come on the catch and say, dolphins say, what stress at you.
Captain Smart.
Maybe your man penny and commission. Say stress every abonten ha ewura pum ma stress akaga na dolphins ma dolphins no ma wu pum na epumu yuyunu kama say wo kwa ase hwa kama yi na say stress etuma kum dolphin dia ene na chase ye te so ene ene nya o dolphin stress enya stress bia na kum wo mo your excellency I've told you if you really want to stop galamsey but Chebi Galamsey ni nyai. Stop the Chebi Galamsey, Your Excellency. It's very important. But in no na meka wan say. Hwe Galamsey na wana edidi agro no. And then kum dolphins no. And your stress be a quick. Cyanide ni mercury. Na ye de ye Galamsey no and nam yensuo nim rivers ni mu saa and akobo punim. Dolphins wo ye disciplined mammals. Wo mo num nsuo bi akeke ndi ade bi akeke. Ye de saa nsuo no ko wo mu no. And we na wu no ene bisa won a wo kopo no say wo kwa wo nyanam na nsenya say Jamestown wo say hen won kwa wo hu baller wo mu yiye baller and wo mu yiye baller and wo mu yiye and you want us to keep quiet enam e wo pum enam keke wo pum asa first ne wo rivers makomako ensun bi wo Ghana ha geography book bi e wa Africa bia no sa river ni din wo mu de di kan eye bremu nti ye to no say atempa onum bremu ene bremu asai ye mfensu de bio enam tin kokontiba abua konkontiba obeyina ye kase na wadani aponcheni ebinim e hona your excellency wufiri ukuro mo river kase ba ko asai Bese kwa river pra. Ya pramu mo ina to agu because of Galamsey. Rivers that say. But wouldn't be Rollins yare na osin minimum ya ya no atraple nim pam na kwa Switzerland. Ha? Say na kwa Switzerland. O so okohwe ni minimum. Na okohwe ni minimum. Domahama yare say vum na kwa France. Professor Miss vum US. Nanadu vum London. Yen yare
he is unique.
Kolebu.
He is the best.
Obekono na nsuo ma. Bedu kolebu na nsuo ma. Udu kolebu a obeda fom. Yey. Yete ha. Say ye omanya ye dwinya. Ene ma me ma solution. Ya na nkrofo say journalist ye kasa ye ma solution. Mama solution there. Say Ghana, you were more than 3 million housing deficits. Any part 3 million, what it means is that the catch was be a housing deficit. And say any part 3 million when you baby na. No more. If you have a buyer, or you're serious, you're buying a backward. So you're serious. Come my dear, so you're buying. Anya ye krano. Rollins a castle best started housing, affordable housing. Went to me anya.
He is smart. He is unique.
Because at that time of Honorable Squadron Leader Clenso, of PV or B, Mrs. Mary Grant, Aka Oheneba no Oheneba could be same one baby refidino. One more trans year policy, and na by no with program, no the coy. J. Kufobae, and no best at a as a quartermampon. Any affordable housing. topetinye ye duru Kumasi me na me ye MC na Honorable Hackman Owusu Ajiman ena na oye Minister of Works and Housing ye launches ade ni wie ye adan ne gu ho eka pono ne mpoma windows and doors keke ye nya panimu bi adwen da ntirim adwen nyansa gu ntirim so ba fix it e wo ho enti edan no ena asa ene kwabrane bobra wi a na ni sika wanya nyina no na ode akohan dan 2 years na advance na wu na fie wura ba masatum na wasan na masatum na wasan ko mo percent krofo be bom pru no mo ye lala sulala asoma mo ba bi ada ana professor Messi say okofa STL you fan say STX ana STX edi hu ono so di be si krom ha say jo so ye kwesi dan ya ma sojafo ni asojafo enya ba bi ada and dabi ni aposifo enya ba bi ada na ye ensu gigirigirigiri de humirika sa ye hu yan say hey contractor na oba nso asade akokot wa say twen damage wa jesika vom ono so ko Mahama kofa sagleme you say you can say sagleme say sagleme whichever way there's a sagle there's a me ena owie dan kakra de si hode mai besi na ye woman over 1,000 housing units egu ho epro soldier fo nya ba bi na posi fo nya ba bi na de enye ya posi fo amu wo krum ha we se mo pam langard fo mo amasa ase kura mo koto kura mo kwa na langard fa pam mo
Captain Smart is the king.
hey na youth ni nya ba bi enna wonya abanya or what plan conscious so person solve housing deficit and can the yes we na yen clear no they yen the same I mean my solution this is what happened in Venezuela Mexico the same plan Australia the same plan New Zealand the same plan me modify that plan I mean show there yeah the iron rods ensuo anwea abo and cement and the sidine yet kromata na doctor for say wonya kam fa nkwa adwuma no tie ne aban e kan say doctor bi akra ka ba onyi ni free na ontwi na fa nkwa hospital nkwasa yade meboa it is anka we ya aban a the first necessary we you say iron rod ni produce we he ni produce iron rod no it is a obi ye babunu between the ages of 22 ekosi 40 so why adwuma na obetimi asidan de ya Ghana card ya ye enye card hu na ubum se pupuru na abubu no ese chip na hyem enti me Captain Smart me din wo so obi foforo enso din wo so kwame enso din wo so wo kwa ba bia eto iron rod na aban ne pese o reduce housing deficit no enye sa aban kofa sika kwahyem cause aban si one room say ya single room aban si ya 200,000 Ghana cedis. And that 6-unit classroom block, 800,000 Ghana cedis. Dime suku dan keten sa makuma kunsia 800,000 Ghana cedis. Gabi watre dako.
He is the best.
Prime Minister. Mahama time. No say 600,000 Ghana cedis no. Ne boarding. And then Gabi 800,000. 6-unit classroom block 800,000 to kasa aban on sit down kuraba ko a 200,000 because the catch us a buying contract e be che nti sa sika na aban di wuram no common sense should tell you there's a chip me ye adwuma aban person subsidize it say iron rods dey 3,500 me kono na aban subsidize 1,500 na o person dey affordable house no na aban ya moka na me de me chip no slot ya na me nya 2,000 na me dey accommodate ho.
He is smart.
It is that say aban na ebre ni sika be hye no ye yankasa as individuals we will be able to fix it na ene ye no an say na me emre ne ko makasa community development ye didi agro okro yim ekwan bi e wo Ghana 21st century wona mankran ya wo hunu mfuturo kwan. Your Excellency, we declare year of roads back home. This year we say a year of roads. Ebe obo ye. Sika ya spending. Our Fourth Republic in one ye kwan. Ghana kwan ye won nyina. according to highways Ministry of Roads 78,000.
Captain Smart.
Only 78,000 kilometers.
He is smart. He is unique.
France,
He is the
I
best.
over
Captain
700,000
Smart
kilometers
is the
worth of
king.
road. America were over 1 million kilometers worth of road. When my who say me wo sika France for their bomb road who by the last 10 years and the same amount near their boy there who buy ye road 78,000 still you done photo kwaso ya jimi yana say ni yansa wo kwa ya semenka bom 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 okay see ni pampe so be say what then higher thing yeah then a problem that as people we cannot sit down and then say oh your education problem they are solving it's a ban education you need you share that major problem challenges and 21st century and crofo in so muna a teacher for so mo school say ya and no akra dem ere ho ye say so to mo a madam dem ha na mesre say be Ghana nti da be former Works and Housing Minister, my lord, honorable Atacha. No, so bad. Obediri ni ma atuegu. No be si sekai secrepes. Obediri ni ma atuegu. Na sagleme guo. Atacha kacha say sagleme na fraud. E was sagleme. Nti sika no ontua biom. Na ni ba ne ho so no watua. Obi bisa no asempata ma na me wadom so ono abo na ede na otua o say my chief accountant and chief data nka nkyere me.
Africa is rich and not poor.
Oboye. What's your manya kwabrani timeji ade a friend belt hook allowance. Enye belt ye bomi o. The hook.
Captain
Belt
Smart.
hook allowance.
He is smart. He is unique.
Hey,
He is the
ebu sa
best.
fonsi ya ding.
Captain Smart.
Uko kaya so anu ya meyawo. Wo sha me papa ma sa wo pa tam nya na to aduane ma me di o. Belt hook allowance. Belt hook. The last time I'm checking here, yeah, State Housing. Former managing director, you say your mano bottoms allowance. Then I mean say eno so sa Jimmy no sa bodam no hey den am si o ebi oye managing director no onam no koduru ba bia na ne bottoms na te internet say your man allowance or the be fix bottom na 200 Ghana cedis a month we anya dam. The same managing director you kwa check here 1 month or the 100,000 Ghana cedis na call lunch pacho 1 month na ye kano they say me suspension here kwa kuti ndi mami 1 month na Monday to Friday 4
Is the king.
yeah for weekend Saturday and Sunday yeah calculation yeah the Monday to Friday into a whole managing director Monday to Friday is our 4 adanya or the 100,000 Ghana cedis for converted dollars 25,000 US dollars or so they are called lunch. We are
Africa
pongo.
is rich and not poor.
We are pongo. And these people are roaming around in this city in Kuala Diengwa. Oko ka obi ampeso beti ase. Obi ampeso beti ase. But you see, Kwame Nkrumah see change. When it is denied or too long delayed, violence will break out here and there. Not that men planned or willed it, but the accumulated grievances will erupt with volcanic fury. Listen, I am not asking for change of leaders. I am not asking for change of leaders. I am asking for quality leadership. Because everything under the sun is leadership. The rest are just effects. The youth are suffering. Let me borrow my vice president's the song, you know.
He is unique.
Say I wish Sagleme gu na wish no. Na mebunu ni nam krom hanya baby na. This is Sagleme. We bet me a house over 2,000 families. Yes, no. egu ho obi anka okoka ya say hey wano ya. Your Excellency, you said nurses na yajo so are suffering. Doctors are suffering. Teachers are suffering. Kaya are suffering. But Dr. Baumia, Northern Ghana, they are suffering. Upper East, they are suffering. Upper West, they are suffering. Volta, suffering. Even Jubilee House, you people, suffering. You are suffering. Greater Accra, suffering. Central region, suffering. Eastern region, suffering. You go to Western, suffering. Dagatis are suffering. Enzimas are suffering. Fantis are suffering. Gas are suffering. Everybody is suffering. Everybody is complaining.
He is smart. He is unique. He is
You
the
see,
best.
smart governments don't gag people. Smart governments, they don't gag people. They gauge people.
Captain
If you're a smart government, you don't gag the people, you gauge them. You see them from afar and see that this group of people, what do they want? They want water. This group of people, after gauging them, what do they want? They want good roads. Why are they demonstrating? They are roads. They are demonstrating because of water. What you got to do is to allow them to demonstrate. You give them police officers to protect them to demonstrate.
Captain
Then
Smart.
a sensible minister walks to them, collects their petition, address them, and the problems are being addressed. And the problems are being addressed. Why do we want the youth of this country to
He
always
is
cry?
smart. He is unique. He
Your
is the
Excellency,
best. Captain Smart is
I've
the
said it and I'll
king.
repeat. We are churning out 275,000 graduates a year. There's no plan for them. Ghana, we had our independence on the same day with South Korea. Mewana, 6th March, also your 6th March. 1957, almost 1957. The same day, the same year, South Korea tenase. Ehu say no, baby a niama ekono. Ese se omototo omo niama yi. Pacho ye to sesi yi. Pase me busa Professor Menso Oshefom. Emisata Oshefom. Me pese me so mampani dada Rollins a Oshefom. Na me musa me ame ofa. Je Kufo, wote ho? Mahama, wote ho? Nana Adua, wudi o man sesi a. Say ye ni Korea epe. Hey. And then Tafwa, your woman the same day, back 25 years, back 18. Ghana and South Korea, yeah, we in the same day. I didn't South Korea, where did 25 years. And Tafwa, you feel your phone back South Korea was 25 years. And then that was 18. What is the problem?
Is the king.
Eh? Mami from Malaysia story new and them a tip and a raho. Malaysia bind trans be hwe o mampani dada Rollins. Best ra no no ohu abe no ohu abeda onima de e friend abe. Papa no ohu abeda. Oba ye no be sre Rollins say then ni na say palm tree no what is a palm tree? And ye kire no niam e de ye palm tree no ye de dembre no e de ye praye abe no ye de ye nwo ye de ye adwongo ehunu no nso won wa ye from say nkofo ye omo bodade yi omo sa brasmith o sa wanfo omo di janu gum omo bom na omo timi di abodade e na o say abe no so to forma nso na fimba na o say ye de ye alcohol na mo na ne na mu no so omo say no so very nutritious o say me petre
Captain Smart.
mama beduane 3 pe
He is unique. He is the best. Captain
Mame
Smart
3 o.
is the king.
mama abedua 3 na me fam free Ghana ha na me fan come Malaysia and a man abedua me ensa according to history papa de gi abedua no the head of security catcher and say flight into me fa abedua me ensa and top 2 pen obetimi de akọ ni eja 1 si Kotoka International Airport no mo di 2 ekoye say we was 6.5 million hectares of palm tree 6.5 million hectares of palm tree. They are producing 219 products from Abe. And then we go America Ford. On by dashboard, BMW, Mercedes, Nin and California. So one person on your dashboard. I had their be and a coffee free Malaysia. I wish somebody should tell me. Ye nyansa na nyame de chair anyway. We ye bibini and chesa we Jimmy for. Ye nyansa no way. Ye too gold da. Ya can gold in Abumina. We go there to Ghana. Ye dey 2%. 2% no so kura na ye no. Ye say aban better royalties. On hini we kwaji we, nana we nji we, na ka ban 7.3%. Na we fa no ponto ma me ka se me na re ho woni me ye oye na ye so ya na gbagbra woni oye bia hui finance minister odo oye na kosi awo amfie numa diska
Africa is rich and not poor.
into the next 5 years ahead of us oye na ye turu nya wo dia so woni ma me catch your plane we san say sika no way ask them that where is that money empty and fat bet, you know. Mexican way. This is the beginning. Say I mama used to iPhones, you know. Okwa App Store hono. Ube smart media. Na watu buasi ano what download the app no. Kama atu phone no so. Say we use Android so. Now call Play Store so. And also your smart media. Na and also what download the na what the two phone so. Those of you on Facebook, smart TV, or YouTube so, and also smart TV, Instagram there is a smart TV Ghana, and so Instagram. Now also so we follow Twitter so smart TV Ghana. Now and also we follow. You better launch here online no and check. We call news or kind. I told you yesterday, the TV will be set up very soon. I will take over this country, trust me. The truth would always stand, irrespective of the angle from which it is attacked. And we will not allow this country to go down. We will save this country. And I keep telling you, my final word. Say Ghana here moja they want a panier momanya year. Come for my blood. I don't have any other country apart from this country. I love Ghana. I'll keep loving this country. And nobody would ever stop the youth from talking. We'll talk today. We will talk tomorrow. We'll talk next year. Fix the country.